All right, hey Kipster. So we're doing a reflection today on how we did a diagnostic, um, our first diagnostic assessment, which we took earlier this year. As we know, tomorrow and Wednesday we'll be taking our diagnostic two. So we're going to do some reflection and get us prepared to do some goal setting to get ready to take that second diagnostic. So which we'll be working with today is this diagnostic reports that you see here that will be available in your Google Classroom. The first thing we're going to talk about is your test scores. You'll see that you have a scale score and an overall placement score. Your scale score is just the raw number of how you did on that test, which is pretty important to know. And the overall placement score tells you where you fell based on grade level. So, for example, on this first, you see the overall scale score with 518 means that this student placed in like mid sixth grade. It means that they've tested at somebody who's in the sixth grade in the middle of the year. So, when you're reflecting, make sure that you understand that an overall placement tells you in what grade level you place based on how you test. So if you see a grade 5, that means you tested at a fifth grade level, and that's where you are at the beginning of the year. Remember that at the end of the day, all we're looking for is growth. So even if you're not entirely happy of where you are right now, the idea is that you're improving every test that we take. So we want to definitely see growth as you take Diagnostic 2 here in the next 2 days. Go ahead and reflect, and we'll come back and review the rest of this page in a second.